So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a star. I'm going to use a 3.5 hook and pink yarn. So first we're going to make a magic circle, and so this is how I do mine. Having done this, you take this other side, bring it here and insert your hook and pull through like that and chain one. Then add another 2 chains, 2, 3. Then after that you're going to bring this adjusting side with this other side, and I'm going to do 16 double crochets inside it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, till I have 16. So after that we are going to make a circle, and after tying, make sure it's so tight. And after that I'm going to join. So these are the first chains that I made, so I'm just going to insert my hook onto the first 2 loops, and I'm going to do a slip stitch. So this is how you do a slip stitch. So this is what I'm having. So I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after chaining 6, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and onto the third chain I'm going to do a single crochet. So onto the second chain I'm going to do a half double crochet, and this is how you do a half double crochet. So insert your hook like that, pull through, then pull through all 3. Onto the fourth one I'm going to do, the third one I'm going to do a double crochet, and onto the last visible chain I'm going to do a treble crochet, and this is how you do a treble crochet. Insert your hook like that and pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So after that I'm going to skip 2 chains, and I'm going to insert my hook onto the third chain, so here. So that's what I'll be having as the first side. So I'm going to show you on how we'll do the second side. So I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After chaining 6, I'm going to skip the first 2 chains, and onto the third chain I'm going to do a single crochet. Onto the next chain I'm going to do a half double crochet. Then onto the next chain I'm going to do a double crochet. And onto the last chain I'm going to do a treble crochet. So insert your hook. So this is a small star. You can do as many as a big star as you want. So this is how it looks like for the second one. Then I'm going to skip these 2 chains, and I'm going to insert my hook onto the third chain, and I'm going to do a slip stitch, and this is what I'm having. So you start with a single crochet, then a half double crochet, then a double crochet, then a treble crochet. So let's meet when I'm done. On completion, this is what we have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to do a bigger one when I upload my next video. So this is just a matter of making a tiny circle, a tiny space, and cut off with scissors, and you have your favorite star. And I'm gonna do a tutorial of how to do a bigger one.